What's going on, y'all? Sean, the Master Tutoring here, with another problem that I want you guys to see if you can solve. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get into it. So it has 25 divided by 25 over 1 plus 3 over 3 plus x over 4 is equal to 13. Find x. So this one isn't really that bad. Um, just some multiplication, a little algebra kind of stuff. All right, so what we want to do is we want to find x. It's obviously way down here in the denominator of the denominator. And first thing I want to do is I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom by 3 plus x over 4. That way, I can get rid of it in this denominator, the 3 over 3 plus x over 4. So then that becomes, and I'm going to kind of like not write down every step here. So you got 25 times 3 plus x over 4. So that's going to be 75 plus 25x over 4 up top. Then on the bottom, you have 1 times 3 plus x over 4. So it's going to be 3 plus x over 4 plus, and then 3 plus x over 4 times this fraction here is just going to be 3 equals 13. Okay, so let's kind of clean it up. So that's just 75 plus 25x over 4 over 6 plus x over 4 equals 13. Okay, now we're just going to bring this denominator up like cross multiplication basically. And so that becomes 75 plus 25x over 4 um, equals 13 times 6, which is 78, plus 13x over 4. All right, let's move some stuff around. I'm gonna move this 75 over here. I'm gonna move this 13x over 4 to the other side. Okay, and so then 25x over 4 minus 13x over 4 is just positive 12x over 4 equals 78 minus 75, which is 3. Then that is 3x equals 3. And then finally, x equals 1. All right, so that's my answer. Let me know if you got 1 for x in the comments. Like and subscribe, and have a good one. Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you need math tutoring or you need SAT math help, look in the description to find out how you can sign up today. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you stay in touch with Math Swap Tutoring on YouTube. Have a good one.